Welcome back. This time we will discuss the dashboard clinic. Ever wondered what happens behind the scenes of a busy clinic? It's not just medical care, it's a race against time. Patients waiting for hours, manual files getting lost, and doctors stressed by disorganized records. 2 weeks ago, I decided to end the chaos. I didn't buy expensive software. Instead, I built my own digital assistant. The reality was messy. Patient files were everywhere, and queue management was basically a whoever gets here first shouting match. It was inefficient, prone to human error, and frankly, exhausting for everyone. I realized that if I wanted to provide better care, I needed a system that actually understood our workflow. I rolled up my sleeves and dived into PHP 7.4. My goal was simple: automation. I built a smart queue engine. Now, every time a patient registers, the system automatically generates a unique medical record number and a specific queue number for that polyclinic. The hardest part? Data integrity. I had to ensure that doctors in the pediatric unit only see their own patients, and that no record is ever orphaned without an assigned physician. When I saw that first, perfectly generated queue number pop up on the doctor's monitor, that was the aha moment. Absolutely brilliant. Registration that used to take forever is now done in seconds. No more lost data, no more confusion. We've turned a chaotic paper trail into a sleek, digital heartbeat that keeps our clinic running like clockwork. This project taught me one thing: technology doesn't have to be complicated to be a game changer. Sometimes, the most powerful tool is the one you build yourself to solve your most pressing problems. If you're facing a challenge in your business, don't wait for a solution, build it. I'm your name, and this was the story of my digital transformation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the build. See you on the next one.